Hi everyone, and welcome back to Tina's English Studio. I'm Tina, and I'm so excited to talk with you today about something we all do every single day.
And I'm Mark. Today we are talking about daily routines in English. A routine is all the things you do every day in the same order.
That's right, we all have a routine, so this is perfect for everyday conversation. Whether you're talking to a friend or a teacher, knowing how to describe your routine is super important.
Okay, Tina, tell me about your morning routine. What do you do first when you wake up?
Sure, I usually wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. The first thing I do is make coffee for myself. I love the smell of fresh coffee.
Haha, same here. After I wake up, I brush my teeth, have a nice warm shower, and then I have toast for breakfast. Toast is quick and yummy.
I usually have yogurt and fruit for breakfast instead. It's healthy and gives me energy for the day. Then I check my phone to see if anyone messaged me, and I get ready for work.
Getting ready is important. I try to leave the house by 8:30 in the morning to avoid the traffic. If you leave too late, you might get stuck in traffic and be late.
Me too. I always try to be on time. Now, what about your evening routine, Mark? What do you do after work?
Great question. In the evening, I go to the gym to exercise and stay healthy. Then I cook dinner for myself. I really enjoy cooking.
That sounds wonderful. After dinner, do you relax?
Yes, I try to be in bed by 10:30 at night so I get enough sleep. Sleep is very important for kids and adults.
Absolutely. Now let's go over some key phrases that will help you talk about your routine. The first one is, I usually. You use this when something happens most of the time.
Good point. For example, I usually wake up at 7 or I usually eat breakfast at 8. The second phrase is, I always. This means something happens every single time, without exception.
Right. You could say, I always brush my teeth before bed, or I always eat lunch at noon. And the third phrase is, I try to. This means you make an effort to do something, but it might not always happen.
Perfect example. You might say, I try to go to bed early, or I try to exercise every day. These three phrases are super useful for talking about your routine naturally and fluently.
Now it's your turn. We want to hear about your daily routine. Tell us about your morning, afternoon, and evening in the comments below. Use the phrases we taught you today.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss an episode. Hit the bell button so you get a notification whenever we upload new videos.
We upload new episodes every day, so make sure you come back to learn more English with us.
Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you learned something new about daily routines.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing your English.
Bye!